Toyhax, repro labels. One wrecker, one scavenger, adhesive enhancement engaged. Titans Return Twin Twist. Headlights, red stripes, and other surface detailing. Golden labels shimmer upon the kneecap intakes. Transform into robot mode to reveal yellow shoulder blocks and multiple torso adornments. Titans Return Misfire. Crimson lining along the inner wing edges, with shiny patches on front and rear vehicular surfaces. Shift into bipedal gear and show off inner forward-facing matching red wing striping. G1 sticker detailing rests upon the chest of this aimless renegade. Titans Return Twin Twist. Titans Return Misfire. Toyhax repro labels. Available now at Toyhax.com.